U.S. arms sales to Taiwan are drawing a sharp response from Beijing. The United States has approved new arms sales to Taiwan, describing the move as part of its commitment to the island's defense. China, which considers Taiwan its territory, has strongly condemned the decision, calling it a violation of its sovereignty. Beijing has warned of countermeasures and increased military activity near Taiwan, further raising tensions in the region. The issue remains one of the most sensitive flashpoints in U.S.-China relations. Washington says the policy is defensive. Beijing says it crosses a red line.
The United States approved $11.1 billion in arms sales to Taiwan on Wednesday, marking the largest ever U.S. weapons package for the island. It comes as Beijing ramps up military and diplomatic pressure on Taiwan, which it views as its own territory, a position Taipei rejects. The deal covers 8 items, including HIMARS rocket systems, which have been used extensively by Ukraine against Russian forces. Additional items include howitzers, anti-tank missiles, loitering drones, and parts for other equipment. That's all according to Taiwan's defense ministry. It said the package now requires approval from U.S. lawmakers, though Taiwan has widespread cross-party support. The Pentagon said the arms sales serve U.S. national, economic, and security interests by supporting Taiwan's continuing efforts to modernize its armed forces and maintain a, quote, credible defensive capability. Pushed by the United States, Taiwan has been working to transform its armed forces. President Lai Ching-te last month announced an extra $40 billion in defense spending, saying there was no room for compromise on national security. Washington has formal diplomatic ties with Beijing, but maintains unofficial ties with Taiwan and is the island's most important arms supplier. The U.S. is bound by law to provide Taiwan with the means to defend itself, though such arms sales are a persistent source of friction with China.